And I need a little bit of white, a white ball. Place right over the top. It looks like this keeps poking out right here. Let me take this off. I don't want to keep pushing down on it. When I'm done, I'll go ahead and pop it back up. Okay, and then for the eyes, what I do is, so this needs to actually just sit up just a little bit more. There we go. For the eyes, then I just take 2 more balls of white fondant and place them right down here. And I take my scissors and open up this mouth by cutting in at an angle. Okay, and then I need a little bit of the red for the top part of the rooster on the head. So this is what we do. We take a ball and then we kind of make it into a longer shape like this. Place a little bit of water on top here and place this over the top and then pinch it. Then I take the piece of, the toothpick and push in twice, and then you can kind of flatten that again. Okay, and go ahead and place this back over the spaghetti. And then we'll take the black royal icing. And then we'll do some eyebrows. Okay, and then let's see if we'll put a little piece of red under the chin there. So for doing that, a small ball, make it into a small cone like this. We'll take a little bit of water and put it right underneath here. Take your toothpick and pick it up. Oops, the arm just fell off. Pop that right underneath. Okay, let me add a little bit more water on the arm. Just got some green royal on it. Okay, then I'm going to take a little bit of the blush, the pink. I'm going to put a little on the belly and a little on the cheeks. And voila, there's your cute little farm scene.